Thank you for joining the self-study video on Puente 45, the basics. This self-study video is intended to be an introduction to our Spanish language software entitled Unidad Español. We will first review the basics of Unity, as Puente 45 is founded on the principles of this language organization. We will then discuss the layout of the core vocabulary. We will then demonstrate the toggle tool, which will allow the individual communicator to navigate between the English and Spanish language options. We will then demonstrate the icon Tutor, which facilitates locating words quickly to formulate novel messages. We will also discuss how to navigate to more specific topic-oriented vocabularies located in the categories and page selections. And finally, we will practice a few basic simple sentences and phrases. Unity, a unique language system to organize language on an AAC device. It uses a small set of easy-to-recognize pictures combined in short sequences to produce words, phrases, and sentences. Unity, powered by MinSpeak, is an AAC language software program available on PRC devices. The Puente 45 user area provides the communicator with an introductory foundation of the Spanish language, allowing for the use of proper word endings as well as appropriate word order skills. Here you will find first, second, and third person singular forms of verbs. The Bridge 45, which is the American user area counterpart to Puente 45, is not organized in the same manner as the traditional Unity 45 sequenced user area. Bridge 45 is its own unique user area that is paired with Puente 45. The vocabulary selections in Puente 45 are primarily derived from Southwestern American Spanish. The vocabulary and language user options can be modified to meet the needs of the individual communicator. The top row of icons located on your screen is termed the activity row. This row serves two purposes. First, it is to allow the individual to have access to quick phrases such as greetings and phrases. It also allows access to certain device tools such as volume settings. The second purpose is to serve as the location for your fringe or topic-specific vocabularies. As you select from your core, words will appear in the top row to allow you to complete your messages. The activity row can be customized to meet the needs of the individual. There is a toggle option which allows the individual communicator to access both English and Spanish language versions of this software. To change from Puente 45 to the Bridge 45, follow these steps. First, select Herramientas or Tools in your activity row. Now select Go to English 45. To return to Puente 45, use the same steps to return Tutor de Icono. This special tool, unique to PRC software, allows the individual to quickly learn the location of certain words to speak them. To locate a word, select Tutor de Icono. Using your keypad, type a word you wish to locate. Now select Aceptar on the bottom right. Your word sequence will now display. Also notice on your keypad you see accent markers on the vowels. It is important to spell the words correctly in order to locate how to say them on the device. As mentioned earlier, under Páginas, you can locate nouns by topic or by category. So for example, nombres or names, ropa or clothing, and dinero, money. So let's practice. On your screen, you see 4 examples of phrases or sentences. Quiero ir a la playa. I want to go to the beach. ¿Dónde está el perro? Where is the dog? Tengo sueño. Quiero descansar. I am tired. I want to rest. Necesito un coche. I need a car. Notice in the activity row how it changes to provide the articles to formulate a grammatically correct sentence. So as a review, today we discussed and defined unity in Puente 45. We also described the layout for the core and fringe vocabulary. We also demonstrated toggling between the English and Spanish language user areas so that the communicator will be able to speak in both languages. We also demonstrated the Tutor de icono, or the icon tutor, to quickly locate words to speak on the device. We also demonstrated navigating to pages for specific or topic-oriented vocabularies. Finally, we formulated simple sentences and phrases. Thank you for joining the self-study video on Puente 45, the basics.